Welcome back to Day Man. Today's video is me and Gunny, my cat. He's a cute little cat. And sorry about that. It's because I just got something. I started that I meant to say. He's purring. He's happy. He's happy. Okay, sorry about thinking is it. This is the video of me and Gunny. This is a new series of me and my cat Gone Key. Gone Key. Sorry about that. Sorry about that thing. I'm busy on these. I'm sorry about my how I speak. I'm busy on these. Okay. So it was just gonna get close to Gunny. My cat. My baby. He's my baby. Look at him. He's so cute. He's so cute. He's adorable. Isn't he? Can we just focus on him? Can we just focus on I guess. This is poor. Well, it's poor big. It's poor big on my camera. Jeez. You guys see it poor. What? Yeah. Look at it. Look at it. It's bigger. He's just sleeping. He's sleeping. He's asleep. He's happy. You want to see the bear ups? The bear ups. Bear ups. He's by the fire. Look at him spit out. Look at him. Look at his face. Look at him. He's adorable. Bye. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Wait, why don't I say thank you? I don't know what I'm up to.